Hey guys, it's Dylan again with Major Medical. Today I'm going to be showing you when to replace your washer on your regulator. So there's 3 different kinds of washers right here. This one is a very good washer, it's brand new. This one right here has been fairly used. This may have trouble being used, and this one will absolutely have to be replaced. It's going to be a clear indicator that your washer is bad is whenever you open it and the gauge is at 0 and you'll hear that hiss. That means it absolutely needs to be replaced immediately. To replace the washer, the first thing you do is get a nail. Just pop it out like so. You want to get the brand new one. Put it over and just push down all the way around, and it's good to go. And then once you have your regulator back on, a clear indicator that the washer is good, because you'll just open it up. See that the gauge does go to full and you don't hear a hissing, and that means you're all ready to go. This is Dylan again with Major Medical. Hope this video was helpful. You guys have a good day.